Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's 8th of August 2025 and tomorrow morning I am taking on Race Across Scotland for the third time. So we arrived not long ago. I'm here with Martin, we support crew, and just heading down to the registration point, the start line, do our drop bag, get the kit checked and get my bib, and then early night and 6 o'clock in the morning kick off. Really looking forward to it.
Matt, can I just check your number ends 0363? I'm sure Lana's received.
Let's do this! 3, 2, 1. Good morning, it's race day. We're about 6.5 miles into the race, and one thing I need to mention straight away, I'm really lucky with the weather. This is probably the best start to the Race Across Scotland I've ever had. It's quite cool, it's dry. We had the lightest of drizzles first thing in the morning, but it just went away after a minute or two. It's overcast and it's just perfect weather for running. So I've been running first 6.5 miles with Ian here. We'll share the journey for as long as we can. Certainly first couple of checkpoints I will just take it from there, but first 6 and a bit miles, and it was really quick. Good chat. So about 8 miles in and we've just bumped into this absolute legend, Christian.
Good morning.
Yeah, so this absolute madman is doing the Race Across Scotland after having just done the Southern Upland Way from east coast to west coast. He got to the finish line, or your finish line, or our start line. I'm confused now. What time was it? 3:30 in the morning.
Yep, 69:46.
Absolutely amazing. So first 220 miles done, second 220 miles with the event.
Yep.
And Christian, you're doing this for
War Child.
For War Charity.
Yep.
Yeah.
Throw some pennies their way if you've got some.
Yeah.
You know?
I'll put a link in the video or description.
That'd be awesome.
Amazing cause. Please
Yep.
contribute if you can. Thanks, Christian. Good luck.
Thank you very much. And yourselves.
Thank you. So 10 miles in, just nearly 10 miles, and another absolute chance encounter. Another runner from East Lothian. Oh, there's a car coming.
And a car.
And a car. Let's let the car past. Yeah. So tell us your name and tell us why you're running this race.
Well, about 3 years ago, I was up on the Lammermuir Hills in East Lothian on a little gravel bike ride, and I saw what I presumed at the time was a crazy runner coming towards us. So we stopped him and had a chat, and he told me that he was doing this training for this event called the Race Across Scotland, which I'd never heard of. And he was just having such fun. I thought, I'm going to go home and check that out So I went home, checked it out on the computer, and I thought that looks amazing. Imagine running the whole way across Scotland on the Southern Upland Way. So got my training in, and here I am.
Yeah.
And it's all his fault.
Yeah. All my fault apparently. But I'll take it. Oh, you will love it.
I'm loving it already.
Yes, and this is not even the nice part. So yeah, good luck.
Thank you.
And we'll probably run for another few miles together. But yeah, good luck for the rest of the race.
Good luck to you, Matt, for your third time in a row.
Thank you.
Awesome scenes.
Checkpoint 1, 13 and about miles. Castle Kennedy.
9 miles. 9 miles. What's 9
Okay.
miles?
Just going to fly through this one, meeting Martin for some food. So I'm just going to get some water. Hello, how are you?
Yes.
Nice to see you. Hello.
I come in to say hi, Matt.
Hi.
Your bottles.
And same spot as last year. I was meeting Alana here, and today it's Martin. Just getting some soup and a cup of tea. Oh. How amazing is that? Just about 22 miles in and coming up to checkpoint 2 at New Luce. Yes! Yes! Feeling good! It's still early but feeling good. Hello! Alright, how's it going?
You alright, Tom?
Yeah, not bad, how are you?
I know, bad to see you. How you getting on?
Oh yeah, good.
Brilliant.
Great day one.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice weather for a change.
Aye, thanks.
Like 29 and a half miles into the race, and the last few miles have been shared with Jim. How are you? How's your race going?
I'm enjoying it, Matt Mazzani, even though it's a bit too sunny for me.
Yeah, it is a bit hot, but as we were chatting earlier on, last year was hideous.
But it's
It was a
certainly,
lot worse, so
it's certainly a nice terrain.
yeah.
Not so much the road, but running through the trees. Lovely, that's my type of running, that.
Yeah. Do you have any goals for this event?
I want to finish it, Matt.
Yes, that is a good goal.
That's a big goal. We all have
same
goals, don't we?
same goal as me.
But we all
Nothing
have
more,
goals.
nothing less.
I want to finish it. Top 75
Yeah,
for a silver buckle.
yeah,
Top 25, yeah, I'm dreaming.
yeah.
But we have to dream.
Well, you never know.
Else we wouldn't be here.
You never know. This is just a warm-up, and it's a long way to go. So
Yeah.
anything can happen.
Nearly talked myself out of it.
Yeah,
My wife talked me back into it.
yeah.
Last minute crew change.
So what made you sign up?
It just popped up in my feed, and I thought,
Yeah.
oh, I've done over 220 before. I'll do that.
All right. So you're no stranger to the distance.
No,
Yeah,
no. I thought the application process, it wasn't just an entry.
yeah,
So that made me feel a bit special.
yeah, yeah.
Being accepted.
Yeah. It does give you a wee kind of warm fuzzy feeling when you're accepted.
Yeah. Yeah, the email was quickly returned though.
Yeah,
I was accepted very quickly, so
yeah.
I'm
Brilliant.
not so special.
Brilliant. Right, there's a long way to go, but we're
Aye.
more than 10th of the course completed, so we're doing well. We're doing well.
We're moving in the right direction, man.
That's right, absolutely. I wouldn't be myself if I didn't do a little twirl on top of this hill, like I always do.
Like, you wouldn't do the honours, would you, mean?
Of course, no problem. 2 seconds.
In the tree. In the tree.
Well done. Woohoo! We're chief cheerers. We're cheerleaders.
Thank you for that.
So 33 miles in, and this is like a pop-up aid station. It's not officially part of the race, but it's a lovely family. Alisha and her family. Yes, the whole family provided this lovely aid station. Loads of food, fruit, sweets, cola, water. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much.
Well, we're inspired by you all. I
Oh.
think, you know, we love it when you come through. We're egging you on, and we're really inspired.
That's absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Well done.
Take care.
Take it. Good luck. See you next year.
Thank you. Yeah, probably. Yeah. 40-mile update, 4,500 feet climbed in 9 hours. So timing wise, we're doing really good. Pleased with that. Weather's still okay, it's dry, but the sun came out now and it's quite hot. Still have a nice cool breeze, which is good, but I can definitely feel the heat. Just a little bit warm, yeah, as long as it's warm, it doesn't have to be super hot. 45.6 miles. Another mile or two till the checkpoint, but I've just met Martin here and I'm going to have my food here. Still have to go to the checkpoint afterwards, but I need food. Need to sort myself out. Martin's an absolute angel. Are you going to feed me as well? See, if Alana was here, I would get a kiss as well.
I draw the line.
No. Okay. Right, quick visit to checkpoint 3. Oh yeah, aye. You cannot miss it. Only I would. Yeah, quick visit to checkpoint 3 and go back to see Martin, just here just to check in, that's all. Right, no long out the checkpoint. Feeling so much better. I had a really good feed and change of kit, fresh kit. Yeah, feeling a lot better. So next stop, next checkpoint and a meet-up point will be St John's Town, checkpoint 4, 22 miles, or between 20 and 22 miles. We'll see how it goes. So another pretty long section. .7 miles, and it's starting to get dark. Probably can't see it on the camera yet, but it's actually getting darker now. It's 20 past 9. I've got about 6 miles, or just under 6 miles to checkpoint 4, which is St John's Town of Dalry. Don't know what the plan is yet. I'm definitely meeting Martin again for some food and a change of kit. I'm not staying long. I'm definitely not sleeping at that checkpoint. I'm going to push on and trying to get Sandcar overnight, just like last couple of years. Just coming up to checkpoint 4 at St John's. Once again, I'm not going to film anywhere near the checkpoint. People are trying to sleep, but the plan is to take a slightly longer break here, change kit, get loads to eat, charge up my phone and my watch, maybe about 45 minutes, maybe an hour, and then we'll just take it from there. That's me just left checkpoint 4 and the comforts of Martin's van. New kit, loads of food, coffee, tea, you name it. Charged up my stuff and going again. I will not be filming through the night because there's no point. Just need to push on to Sankar. A very long section, 26 miles, and quite undulating, hilly along the way, so it's going to be a long night. See you in the morning. Good morning. 6 AM on Sunday. Last night was brutal. I am so tired. I'm just coming up to Polskeoch and it is a water station. I've run out of water nearly, so I think it'll just be good to speak to somebody, you know. I'm seeing double, and that section is always boggy, and I've never seen it so bad. It's just ridiculous. However, had the waterproof socks on and they worked a treat. This is the way to go. We're just coming up to Polskeoch. Check this out. There's a lady lives in this house and she always puts a spread. It's a lovely breakfast to have after coming off the hills. So see if she's opened. It's quite early. I'm normally here probably a couple of hours later than this, but let's have a look. Yep, Karen's garage was open and she was already dishing out food. Amazing. 6 o'clock in the morning. She's already spoken to loads of runners before me. Absolute angel she is. I've just had a gluten-free bacon roll. She even caters for my gluten intolerance, which is absolutely fantastic, and a hot cup of tea, and I feel so much better. Sometimes you just need some nice food and a cup of tea and you're right as rain. So we've got about 7-8 miles to Sankar. Nothing overly challenging, probably a couple of miles of this single track tarmac road, and then one last climb over a hill. It is quite boggy there as well, but again, waterproof socks. Right, let's get to Sankar. Just coming into checkpoint, is it 5? Anyway, I'm in Sankar. Met Martin probably 300-400 yards before the checkpoint, sorting myself out. Had a little lie down as well on food, so just a flying visit to this one. Alright.
How you doing? You alright, buddy?
Yeah, not too bad.
Have a good day, everybody. You told us to wait there. I heard that.
Hiya. We're just coming up to Wanlock Head, which is checkpoint 6, and I get to see Lanny. Martin is away now. He had some prior arrangements that he couldn't get out of, and he will be back probably tonight or tomorrow morning, depending on how he gets on. But haven't seen my wife for a good couple of days now, so it'll be great to see her. There she is. Where are you going? So good to see you. Right, let's get to the checkpoint up there. Just coming off Lowther Hill, meeting Alana down there. It's normally a checkpoint on the 50 and the 100, but next checkpoint is Polskeoch, and this is a good spot to meet your crew. That section is always tough, especially on tired legs. Talking about tired legs, we are halfway, exactly 110 miles and 15,000 feet of elevation gain, right bang in the middle. Hello.
You good?
Yes. Hungry. It's 8 o'clock and I've got about 2 miles to checkpoint 7, I think it is, Polskeoch. The plan is to meet Alana and Martin just outside Polskeoch, try and have another kip in the back of the van, sort myself out afterwards, and then only to run down to the checkpoint, check in, and then keep going exactly like last year. Yeah, so that's the plan. On a different note, we have just passed 121 miles, which means we're in double digits for what's remaining. You have to look at positives. Had a couple hours sleep in the back of the van and feeling a lot better again. Thank God I managed to sleep. Now checked in and out at the aid station, the checkpoint, and straight out the door into the night and into the rain. This is going to be an interesting section, quite a lot of climbing, and it's bound to be quite overgrown as well, but it'll be good fun, as it always is. Lovecroft Head. So I'm not going to film throughout the night again, there's just no point. I'll speak to you in the morning. Morning, 5 AM on Monday morning. Last night was brutal, particularly bad weather up Croft Head. The whole climb and descent was just utterly miserable. I was soaked through, cold, tired. Go off the hill and down onto the tarmac road that leads to the checkpoint, and same thing happened. Fell asleep, and just like last year, fell in the ditch, but this time managed to take a chunk out my hand. So I'll be seeing a medic, and he's dressed. It literally just stopped bleeding. Now, what do we do here? Just walk slowly. I'm faster than them anyway. You alright? You okay? Professional. Bye. $151 miles and 21,000 feet of elevation gain. Not bad going. They actually have really good running weather. Can't complain at all after last night. It was brutal. Anyway, we are passing St Mary's Loch just now, and the next checkpoint is at Traquair. Got another 5 or 6 miles to do, so it's not too far. Hi. But I will be meeting Martin just around the corner for some essential supplies. I've run out of water and need some body glide as well. Better safe than sorry. Just coming up to Traquair checkpoint. I'm going to spend a bit more time there. I need to sort myself out. Hit a really low spot. Just seriously lacking energy. Everything's sore. I've run out of water. Thank you. Yeah, everything at once. Need a really good feed. Absolutely starving. Out the checkpoint and straight into the Minchmoor climb. Absolutely amazing. Over 162 miles into the race. I suppose I was going to start feeling like this sooner or later, but yeah, that one was bad. So spent about 40 minutes at the aid station, had a good feed, change of clothes, the usual stuff, and I'm okay-ish. I think we're just going to do the same thing at the next aid station. Good feed and more clean t-shirt, clean socks. It's you just have to do anything to prop yourself up, to make yourself feel a bit better. Just anything, every little helps. This is going to be the third night of running tonight, so this is going to be a toughie. I've probably got less than a mile to checkpoint 10, at Gala Shields. I was struggling today and couldn't put my finger on it. Nutrition, fueling, just not enough water. Didn't know, thought I did everything right, and literally just within the last 20 minutes it cooled down considerably and I feel great. It's bizarre. Sometimes you can do everything right and it's the weather conditions and the ground conditions, it's still going to take their toll. Never mind. Heading down to the checkpoint now, and I think I'm going to see all three of the support crew, Alana, Martin and Mike. So I'm looking forward to seeing them, and I'm looking forward to some hot food. Thank you. Checkpoint 10.
Hello.
That's me just left the checkpoint, just like planned. Had a good feed and an hour lie down. Unfortunately no sleep, but I needed to rest. Got a 15-mile section now. It's getting dark really quickly, so I will not be filming again throughout the night. Next update first thing in the morning, probably near Lauder. This is going to be a long tough section. Nothing technical or hilly, but it's just a combined cumulative tiredness, and the weather's coming in as well, so I'm expecting loads of mud. Let's do this. I've just left checkpoint 11, which is Lauder. Again, didn't film. I was quite tired by the time I got to the checkpoint. People were sleeping inside. Just need to be quiet. As you can see, pitch black outside still. I've just left and it's 10 past 3 in the morning, so way ahead of last year timings. Doesn't matter, either way I just want to finish. That's the main goal, but it's definitely a positive development. We'll see how it goes. We've got this one section coming up. It's going to be quite wet, long wet grass, so fresh pair of trainers with fresh pair of waterproof socks. It's a must. Retaped my feet. I promised I wasn't going to talk about my feet on this one, but I do have a couple of blisters now, so they're not bad, they're not horrendous. I had to put some tape on it, but it's okay. Just really stiff and quite achy, so I just need to loosen off and warm up. Right, let's do this. 10 miles to the final checkpoint. Good morning. I think it's Tuesday morning and we're at Twin Law. It's quite foggy, you can't see the cairns. Had a horrible night. Again, it was okay after leaving Lauder, but come 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, really struggling to stay awake. But we've only got about a mile and a half, maybe 2, to 12th and the final checkpoint of this amazing journey. Fried breakfast is waiting for me, so fingers crossed that will wake me up, and after that it's probably going to be less than 20 miles to the finish line. Checkpoint 12. Right, leaving the final checkpoint. Good feed, fried breakfast, absolutely amazing. Loads of Iron Brew. Got a new running kit and changed my shoes. It's getting really warm, so waterproof socks were off. My feet are really sore. They held up really well up until this point, and I said I wasn't expecting them to be absolutely perfect at the end of the event, so it actually went great feet wise. Yeah, last 21 miles to do. Thank you. Cheers, buddy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Three. Big three.